Hi, I'm Stowe Daly.
And I'm Karen Taylor Good.
Together, we are Stowe Good. And we want to invite you, our wonderful friends at Unity of Springfield, to join us for our Soul Prosperity Workshop on Saturday, September 28th.
So no doubt you've heard of financial prosperity, right?
Yeah, how to do more in order to have more success and more wealth.
But soul prosperity is something else altogether. Soul prosperity comes from understanding your worth.
Understanding that you are a precious gift to this world.
And you know what? We can promise you that by the end of this powerful one-day workshop, your soul prosperity account will be filled to overflowing,
ready to compound interest with accelerated appreciation of yourself and those around you.
Soul prosperity, member FDIC.
That's finally developed internal compass.
Just come. It's going to be a magical day.
Yeah, we'll see you there.